now because I have to film another version of my download from my computer, because after I filmed the version on my phone, I deleted it as I was downloading it to Dropbox. So I just want to reiterate the point to make sure you have everything that you want before you start deleting stuff. So this is the device for my MacBook Pro. And this is how it works in your computer. You take off the cap and you put on the adapter, and then you insert the device words up into your computer, and then it will start to blink, and then the file will open up in your application, and then you just open up the Picture Keeper backup and you have to put in your email, and then you can start the download. So I hope everyone sees that. As my first video that I filmed with all that information on, I accidentally deleted it while I was deleting pictures off of my phone because I just backed them all up on the Picture Keeper. So these kind of things happen. So hi everybody. The first thing I want to talk about is Picture Keeper for your Android phone. It costs $64.95. And it will declutter pictures and videos off of your phone. Now on my phone, I had something like 1,468 photos. This little device, which costs $64.95, did not have enough room to clear out all those photos. So I just want to let you know, it's interesting to use. I have tips that are in this video for you, but it does cost $64.95, and to me that's pricey. For $64.95, I think you should be able to at least download 1,500 pictures, you know, because $64.95 is a lot to invest. And so now I have this other little handy device called Picture Keeper for your Mac. This is a 4 gig Picture Keeper. It cost $29.99 or $30. This also did not have enough memory to save all my photos and videos off my computer. Myself, I did invest another $30 for another 4 gig memory Picture Keeper to delete some more pictures off my phone. But today I want to talk about just using regular memory sticks, because $64.95 and $29.99 are kind of expensive just because you don't want to drag and drop files. So I did a little investigating, and a 4 gig memory stick, I think you can get like 5 of them on Amazon for $18.99. And you plug them into your computer, and on a MacBook Pro, to click on files you want to save, you just hit the Command key and click your little mouse on each file you want to save, and then you can either drag those into the memory stick, or you can move the files. But it's really not that hard. I mean, and then if you have all your files in one place, you can click the Shift key and click at the same time, and it will highlight all of the files together, one after the other, and you can just drag them into the memory stick. So a regular memory stick, they really aren't that hard to use, and they're a lot cheaper than these Picture Keeper things. Now, me being naive and not very savvy, the first time I saw the ad for these, I thought, oh great, you just plug them in and they save everything. So I'm sharing some clips with you of my experiencing using them. They weren't hard. They weren't as easy as the box makes them seem, but they are kind of expensive. I think it's better if you want to save your photos off of your computer, so in case anything happens to your computer, you still have all your photos and stuff. I think just a regular memory stick is the way to go. They're much cheaper than these fancy devices, and they're not that difficult to use. It's just a matter of dragging your files into them, which you know, you can search for MP4 files for your photos and JPEG for, MP4 files for your videos and JPEG for your photos, and just drag them into the memory stick. It's really not that difficult to do. So that's just my opinion. Save your money. These are too expensive. They're just not worth it. Even though when you run out of room, a little box does come up on their app saying, oh, you run out of room, would you like to purchase another one? Here's a coupon for 10% off, which is helpful. But after a while, $64.95 and $29.99 for me get to be a little expensive. So thanks for joining me on this Tip Time Thursday. That's how I decluttered my computer. Please like my channel, subscribe, visit my website, and I'll see you on next Tip Time Thursday.